Hello everybody, welcome back. It's your boy Mr. Green Hands. I know you're not seeing my face, but you can hear my voice, which is just about right enough. But these are some marigold that I saw. I was at the garden center near me and I decided, you know what, they had a deal of 4 trays like this, big ones right here, for £15. And I'm saying to myself, I need them because I haven't sowed them. I need my soil to be ready for them. I need them to be protecting my crop this year, because marigold are amazing. They do help your garden to be amazing because it does help to deter a lot of pests. This is a thing that you can, or flowers to really say the least, which are edible as well. Marigold are edible, but they can help your garden to strive better because it helps to prevent the pesty, or I call them pestilence, pests that are in your garden that are eating away all your great things. And it helps to bring pollinators and healthy insects to your garden that can help your garden to make it grow better. So I have a French double mix one, which are like the yellow and a bright reddish burgundy color. I have that, and I have another variety as well because I picked it up, and let me give it a show, which a French double red. Look at those blossoms, and they're gonna help my garden to grow amazing. It's just gonna be a beautiful time, and I'm getting them right now in the ground because I want to get ready, because the pests are coming and the weather is getting warm, and I ain't looking to get I'm not looking to lose any more. I've already got a fox issue. I don't want a pest issue as well. I've got one big pest that walks on 4 legs, and it looks like I'm gonna have to make it into a coat, which is illegal, by the way. Maybe I gotta find something to get rid of them. I'm serious, they're getting on my nerves. Yeah, fox. Yeah, it is a beautiful day. I'm sitting here right here, and I'm gonna get these bad boys in and around my garden so I can protect them. Don't forget to love yourself and love what you do, and don't forget to look after the planet, because we have to. See you guys next time. Stay blessed and keep planting and keep growing.